Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to hide your age on Tinder. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder and after that go and click on profile, and after that go and click on edit profile on the top of the screen, and after that scroll down until you will find an option, the last one, like in control your profile. And of course, to activate those options you should have a premium account, not a free account. You have just to activate the first option, don't show my age, and like that your age will not be shown on Tinder or on your profile. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.